Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Want to customize your Weebly site even further? Editing the HTML and CSS gives you complete control over your site's design and functionality. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to safely edit the HTML on your Weebly website. So let's start. First of all, go to the web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. From there, click on the Edit Site button to access the website editor. This is where you will be able to manage your site's content, design and HTML. In the website editor, click on the Theme tab, which is located on the top menu. From there, click on the option saying Change Theme. And in this theme gallery page, you can see an option in the top right corner which is Import Theme. Simply click on it. From there, you can select a theme from your mobile or computer device. The file must be zip file containing your theme. The template layout data must be in index.html and style information in style.css, which means that you can't directly edit your website in Weebly, but you can use different IDEs such as Visual Studio, Android Studio or IntelliJ IDEA for changing the HTML and CSS code of your website. And once you are done with the edit, simply export it on zip file and import in the weebly.com. And that's it. Now you know how you can edit your HTML file on weebly.com. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.